Hi. Look what I found. Ah, pretty nice when you got all your antelope you need. You can just sit around and relax. Right? Now maybe if it would warm up, they'd move a little better. We found a nice shade spot out here in the middle of the desert.
No.
Gotta get pictures of Lynn's Dodge. We parked the Dodge in Ford. That's our lunch wagon. So much wind we had to have 2 trucks to block the wind. You can see only for 100 miles. You can't hear a thing but wind. Judy said, let's bring chairs, make this thing comfortable. We've been running around up here and maybe seen 20, 25 antelope total. If they ain't the same bunch, it's been pretty tough. Any words of advice, Viv?
Yeah.
What?
Watch out for the
You don't want to get run over while you're eating lunch, eh? Okay. We'll shut this off till we get something better to talk about. Here we are, Vern, riding along the boonies, and there's one setting. I don't know what it is. You know what it is? Whatever it is, they don't need it no more. I mean, it's just sitting there. That's some collector's item, eh? What it is? Vern, but it's a tractor. Not sure. Sitting out here kind of in the wide open spaces. Well, second day. Yesterday we didn't hunt. We haven't been having trouble getting into antelope. We just found a bunch in here in a spot. We just got in on this raised ranch and he brought us back here. Said there was 60 head in there yesterday and we think we see most of them. So Viv and Lois, yeah, Viv and Judy and Lynn is going to head off down through the wash, see if they can catch up to them. Goodbye. Go on. Grandma. She'll go as far as she can. Where's the antelope at? Well, let's see. There's a windmill out there. And there's some antelope by it. Somewhere out there. Big, big, big country. Big, 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 big country. She's got to diddle around with everything. We call her diddle ass. She don't like that, but she is a diddle ass. Yep. That's right, Viv. Just take your time. You know, she's playing with the radio. God, what a diddle. Everything's got to be just right, then it won't be right. I think I seen some antelope way up in there somewhere. Hard to hold it still when it's so far. Anyway, there's old Lynn carrying that cart.